What exactly do you mean? What else would I mean, you idiot? I need someone from the table. Who is what I'm asking? Oh, well, in that case, I need Lauren. Oh no, you're not taking Lauren. Why, is she your girlfriend or something? No, but you can't. Ugh. It's okay, Alex. I'm way stronger than that sausage. Let's go. Ugh, rude. If you say so, I'll be right here. So, sausage, you wanted to fight or something? Please don't call me that. And also, yes, I wanted to fight. Okay. Let's go then. Giving you a hint. I was in boxing class. Let's go. Take off your collar already, you mutt. Ugh, this thing cost $100. Like you have the money for that. Just hurry up and fight me. Ugh, okay. Let's go.